Sulawesi, an island like no other. Between ancient karst cliffs, between faith, tradition and change, waterfalls crash out of the jungle, atolls like brushstrokes and a hidden world below. Dolphins swim alongside us, we discover deep blue lakes, dreamlike beaches and steaming hot springs. Rivers cut through untouched nature, volcanoes remind us of the raw power of the earth. Rainforest swallows the road and every sunset feels like a promise of dreams. An island full of stories waiting to be told. Raw, alive, this is Sulawesi. In this video series, we're taking you along on our 3-week adventure across Sulawesi. Our flight from Munich via Singapore gave us a 24-hour stopover in this fascinating city, and we'll share that as a bonus episode at the end of the series. Our first stop on Sulawesi, the world's 11th largest island and part of Indonesia, is Makassar. It's the largest city on the island and has been the maritime gateway to eastern Indonesia for centuries. Long before Europeans arrived, Makassar was already a major trading hub for spices, gold and silk. With the impressive 99 Domes Mosque, one of the largest mosques in Indonesia, Makassar shows its modern face. At the same time, Muslims, Christians, Buddhists and Hindus have lived here side by side for centuries, mostly in peaceful coexistence. Makassar sits right on the coast, and the famous Losari beach promenade is where sunsets, street food and everyday city life come together. Especially in the evening, the city really comes alive, and of course we had to try as many food stalls as possible.
Da lacht ihr so, ja.
For the next day, we booked a guided day tour with South Sulawesi Tours. Early in the morning, Iksan picked us up directly from our hotel. In the heart of South Sulawesi, around Rammang Rammang, lies one of the largest karst landscapes in the world. And that's what we're exploring today. We start by boat heading toward the small village of Rammang Rammang itself. Between steep limestone cliffs, calm rivers wind their way through mangroves and small villages, where life has followed nature's rhythm for generations. Rammang Rammang isn't just a spectacular landscape, it's also a refuge for rare plants and animals, and a quiet witness to Sulawesi's geological past. On our way back by boat, we make a short stop. After a brief walk, we reach Gua Kunang cave. Like the surrounding Karst cliffs, the cave was formed millions of years ago by water slowly eroding limestone. It's named after the countless fireflies said to light up its walls and ceilings like a starry sky. Unfortunately, we didn't see them. Still, the cave was worth the visit. Shimmering stalactites sparkled in the beam of our flashlights. Cooling off, however, was not an option. It felt more like a steam room than a cave. Over millions of years, water and time have sculptured these rugged limestone formations, a maze of towers, caves and hidden valleys. Between the Karst cliffs of Rammang Rammang lies a place where time seems to lose its meaning. In the Archaeological Park, rock paintings more than 40,000 years old can be found, older than many of humanity's most famous artworks. These handprints and symbols are direct messages from early humans, silent traces of lives that began here long before us and still echo today. From Makassar, we fly about 800 kilometers across Sulawesi. In just under 2 hours, we reach Luwuk, the gateway to a completely different landscape. After arriving, we check into our hotel, then hop into a taxi that takes us up a steep, bumpy road to a nearby waterfall. Hidden deep in the lush green jungle near Luwuk, Piala waterfall cascades down several levels. For centuries, crystal clear water has carved its way through rock and forest. A place far from the noise, powerful yet calming. Piala waterfall shows Sulawesi at its quiet, untouched best. At the base of the waterfall, a few local food stalls are waiting. We grab a small snack and then it's back to the hotel, where we fall into bed completely exhausted. If you have enjoyed our Sulawesi adventure so far, leave us a like and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next episode. Because next we are taking you to the paradise of the Togean Islands, an archipelago with an absolutely unreal underwater world.